Actually, wey dey make headway for Edo State, the fight between um, Philip Shaibu Obaseki against Governor Nyesom Wike and PDP. And of course, this week we have lost over 10 persons in one community in Benin here, Obaya, is it Obayanton? Obayanton community. And all of this now we dey talk about today. I would like to start from this political saga because I dey feel say whether na the political matter no dey make dey see wetin dey happen for this Obayanto community, I no know. Mr. Collins, what's your take on this political saga between Obaseki Filishabu against Nyesom Wike?
Good evening, viewers, everybody. Wanna share this broadcast because this story go sweet well. Mona go carry una chiri beer. Wanna tell listen to this story or wanna go carry una mini chin chin and popcorn. Wanna tell hear this street parliament today. Obaseki, Governor Godwin Obaseki, Philip Shaibu, Honorable Philip Shaibu, and His Excellency Governor Nyesom Wike, the elephant of PDP. Now, wetin dey happen for the party be say for PDP for Edo State now be say dem don do their state congress.
That's Edo State.
Edo State don do congress even when the governor was still in APC. Edo State don do congress, PDP don do congress. Dem don elect their party working committee before you decamp come. As you decamp come, dem give you ticket, give your deputy ticket to run. Now the time of appointment don come. You take your SSG, e follow you come for APC. Your chief of staff follow you come for APC. First, second, third, fourth. PDP never cry. So now these people now, after like over 1 year of swearing in, before you come dey get cabinet member, you go bring 7, abi 14, 11 commissioner, your people. The party don finally say, okay, you carry your government. We don hold our structure. We don hold our party. Say now dem no dey power for over 12 years. Dem no dey worry, dem no die, nothing happen to them. Now you just come, dem no fit give you this structure now. Oga, we no wan give you this structure. You carry your government go. Finish your government. Now the point is that why the governor dey find the structure of the party, you are not coming to contest again. Is that not a symptom of godfatherism wey dem take campaign 2 years ago here?
Okay.
That's godfatherism.
More not to take this thing personal. Chop. I hear dey ask sharp questions. More just face the fact. Let's not be too partisan. Because I know say my mind dey tell me say the way you dey talk, like you no fit like.
No.
You no fit like the governor. So, Oga Precious, what's your take on this issue?
My people, for us, I agree to you. The truth is that what is happening now was expected. A black cat will remain a black cat, whether in darkness or in daylight. Obaseki, Governor Obaseki, in his 60s, cannot now change overnight. Perhaps he was expecting more than what he actually, posed to people he wanted. His quest into the PDP clearly was not because he loved the PDP so much, but a completion of his second term. So when he was disqualified in the APC, he sought the umbrella so that he go fit get his second term. But now he declare say he actually wanted something more. Yes, if you are a leader of the party by reason of being the governor as PDP as a party talk, you suppose fit still dey do that thing wey go make dem our boys for street go say na chairman wey dey try na him boys dey loyal for. You perhaps you have not done anything to their satisfaction wey go make dem free their structure for you. So since na whatever you must have paid, like you dey call some of dem trader and all of that, dem feel say na for you to get your second term. So their expectation is that you finish your office and go. But since you want the structure, you should also know what to do. The part wey me I no like na the dirty lineage wey he and the governor Nyesom Wike dey put for outside now. So I believe the APC and Adams Oshiomhole as they go dey very happy now to see say there is a fight among those wey feel say they are sense.
Wetin be Wike inside this matter? You feel say the way Wike take the matter, you no feel say some, because Wike made a statement when he was giving a press conference. He go open one, I think it was a school. He made a statement that he was going to smoke all Obaseki's people out. People that are pushing him, based on say they feel say based on him get presidential ambition. So the people who get presidential ambition today, they use Obaseki say they want fight him. But the things that happened was not directed towards Wike. Why if you say they want to use and fight him? What's your take on that?
Obaseki has an ambition.
For
It's obvious.
for
Uh,
presidency?
I wouldn't know, but he wishes to, I think he wishes to aspire higher, like every other person, every other human being would. Now, but the space wherein he wants all of this, perhaps to achieve all of this, is the same PDP where some other persons have since been investing. Between Governor Nyesom Wike and Governor Godwin Obaseki, you can easily tell who has a stake more in the PDP. So whether he wants to fight him in the nearest future, that is yet to be seen. Both of their position now is what we can at least judge them by. Governor Obaseki feels Nyesom Wike is exhibiting ownership of a party where everybody is a member, and Nyesom Wike also thinks that Governor Obaseki is asking for too much, that he has not given much of what he is asking for. So that's where we are. Nyesom Wike has a very loud voice and so much energy and the morality to speak for PDP, especially when the issue.
As far as I'm concerned, they are both leaders of the party in their various states. So why do you feel that Nyesom Wike has more?
It is so obvious. The man said so much. He will not just. He will not hear. He will not just
part
say.
of the foundational
Yes.
members of PDP.
He will not just
The
say
man
what
has
he
been in
wants.
PDP since 1999. He has done a local government chairman under PDP, a chief of staff PDP, a minister under PDP, before a governor under PDP.
Okay. Question now. Before Obaseki came out to defend Shaibu recently, that Wike should have reached out to him instead of going to the media if the deputy was going out of line. Do you think that Shaibu has his own personal ambition as to why they really need this structure? Because news dey fly around say e be like say this guy wan contest
Sure.
Philip Shaibu.
Now,
Now,
wow.
if he doesn't have the structure, he cannot contest. And with the way things felt go inside last week, before things got to change small, Obaseki wanted to stay. Obaseki say he dey PDP. Anybody who don't like the way the team dey make come out of the party. Why Shaibu on the other hand is saying if they don't inculcate them into the party, they will leave. Why two of them talk?
Oh, but now Aslem Ojezuwa part of that. Aslem Ojezuwa was claiming he was APC state chairman, and the rest of them, the governor and the rest, they decamped to PDP. Aslem Ojezuwa remained in APC till after the election before he tendered his
Because I
resignation
watched an
letter.
interview today from.
Those one are their normal pattern wey
I
they
watched,
used before
I watched an
now.
interview today from the chairman of Ikoro local government.
Yes.
Where the guy was, I didn't watch the Shaibu's interview on TVC. the guy was insisting that Shaibu said that he is not a member of the PDP. Mr. Precious, how can you be
A
a
deputy
deputy
governor.
governor and your governor is PDP and you are saying you are not a member of PDP?
Just like the question itself he has ordinarily answered itself. All that is just to make mouth.
See,
The
let
last
me,
time we checked, the deputy governor is a PDP member.
Okay, please, it's not time for call, but let's just take this
Otherwise,
call.
why will you be shouting? They want to go back to the PDP. I mean, to the AP. I mean, they want to leave PDP because they have not been accepted.
Let's hear this person. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Please, where is your name and where are you calling from, sir?
I'm Dr. Prince.
Doctor.
I'm calling from France.
Okay, talk to us, boss.
Yeah, I just want to contribute to what you guys have discussed. I really enjoy the topic.
Okay.
But regarding the scenario that is happening, for me, Governor Obaseki is a governor, is a respected governor as a father, as a man, just like Wike.
Okay.
I know the pedigree of Wike that he has kind of have a pillar or have a stand with PDP. But to me, respect is reciprocal. You have your state that you are covering. No matter your pillar, no matter what, you can't just begin to disagree with a man like you because both of you are in the party, or maybe because Obaseki came in as a governor or in one election under PDP because of what happened with what transpired with PDP. But my point is, no matter what has triggered, we would have a lot, at least a little respect for Obaseki as a man, not going on public social media to start showing mass insult to a man like him.
But excuse me, sir.
They at least there's a medium for them to challenge their problem.
Excuse me.
To social media, they are apologizing to your opponent.
Excuse me, boss.
To me, for just, everybody has emotion, everybody has feelings.
But
So that is why I said
no word was directed to Obaseki from Wike. The first press conference.
No, the last comment he made publicly I watched him was saying Obaseki is an ungrateful human being, that he apologized to Oshomole, that he is a his man is the one word, the crazy word that is not supposed to be used in public. Just like putting the man down, who is this man? Who is Edo State? Who is this one? I'm command. No, you have to respect the those people. You have to respect their personality.
Okay.
So that was where I speak of him.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. Some Edo people don't
God bless you, sir.
not be some Edo people. Don't
They
be
must
fair.
not.
You see
They
what this
must
man. You see
understand
what
this
this.
very clearly.
You see what this
I
man.
am an
dey do.
Edo man.
So
This man is a
when
bit ignorant about
when
your own information.
Obaseki were stoning
Don't-
Oshomole, bullying
don't-
Oshomole,
don't
you know
give
that Oshomole na man.
When Obaseki,
How can he be taking
when
side like this?
Obaseki was going out,
No, I'm not
when
taking side.
Obaseki-
I've
hold
been
on, sir, hold
playing
on,
here,
sir.
sir.
When Obaseki was going out, dragging Edo people in the mud, bringing outsiders to humiliate Edo people here, was this man not there? We must balance some things, sir. Whatever fight they have, it's not Edo versus Rivers people. Don't drag our tribe and our state into this. It's just a conflict of ego between two governors. Now two governors, now in the fight. And
Not be Edo people dey fight.
Not be Edo and the Rivers
Edo
people
no
dey fight.
get issue with river people.
As at the time when the some wicked they come here, they come support the same governor Obaseki.
Why they not say
They're not there. Why not say
When be DG, they're not
against
there.
Edo people?
When be the DG, they're
When
not
we-
there.
Okay, let's welcome
Eh?
Pupa. Let's welcome Pupa to the phone. I may be anchor today. You go answer question today.
Not be me. I'm not going to answer question.
Okay, why you call the?
I tell you because I dey feel the vibes and I privilege today around today to listen wetin be our topic like. Anyway, I hear that our last caller just now. I no go start from there. Maybe I no wan jump into conclusion to my own side. If I come talk another, go say I dey take side. Like my brother talk, Mr. Collins or Mr. Precious. I know okay, you are the moderator. I think there is nothing that concern the tribe Edo versus the tribe Rivers. Like you said, Mr. Precious, it's between two governors. It's a party thing. They get their differences inside their party and they decided to expose themselves. It happens when APC gets their own too. When Bukola Saraki then was an APC, he challenged openly, they throw words. give the same party. And people come to say, okay, maybe 1 year they PDP na make am. So if this one say they don't, the man say he don't know who you be, like he said, you are a betrayer. You are a betrayer in series.
Ungrateful.
No, you get one way.
Syria betrayal.
Syria betrayal.
No, me I dey come for the Governor Wike on that.
No, whether he talk am or he not talk am, Baba, he gets waiting men. You know, say, he gets some men when not is a bit close mouth when he reach some kind matter. I know we say na him Governor Wike be make I give him that respect. But at the same time, he get wetin they talk reach somewhere. Just like some people they carry rumor say he get wetin Ojumole and Obaseki talk reach we make the thing come be like this. No, fight boss. Wetin you get stay attack me. Na be party matter. So anything Wike talk, leave am. He gets the way dem take their matter to. So there is nothing concerned. I just make I clear that last one when I hear. Nothing concerned Edo State in particular. Now inside the Edo State, I mean you never hear some people see the quarrel for inside the matter say, okay, Nana, you know.
Sorry, excuse me. Okay, Mark, I should just stop this. I might help you take this call because this matter na very delicate matter. I don't put the power for this matter. No, that's hello. Good evening. Hello.
Yeah, good evening. Please, am I speaking with Maleki Udo?
Yes. I am here, sir.
Yes, talk to us. Where are you calling from and what's your name, sir?
I'm calling from Oshkosh.
What's your name?
Hello?
What's your name, sir?
My name is Austin. I'm calling from Oshkosh.
Okay, talk to us, sir.
Yeah, I want to say good evening to everyone in the house, and I want to say good evening to Maleki Pupa.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I hear you, sir.
And I just want to contribute a little to this topic you guys are on right now.
Okay.
What I see there, I grew up in Port Harcourt, I grew up in Port Harcourt, and I don't want people to see this issue as rivers and Edo. No, it's not rivers and Edo.
At all.
It's just governor to governor. But, and for me, I'm so happy. I'm the happiest man. You know, seeing Wiki working on Obaseki. I'm the happiest man, my brother. When Obaseki was doing this thing to Adam Susumole, doing this thing to Yamu, doing this thing to Edo, doing this thing to so many people.
God bless you, my brother. God bless you.
He was saying that what Wiki is doing to our governor of the district that is not right. My brother, when I watched that video, I'm sure I want this guy to pump champagne.
Thank you.
Because we are looking for someone to plug the Obaseki for us. He's coming that he's a Dunga. He's a Dunga. Let people challenge you. I tell people that we get the street man. Let people challenge you. He's coming to Dunga to do. If they don't silence us now, we still have a belief then they make noise, then they shout, then they come to Dunga. You know, say governor, the bad governor. Come on, the bad governor. Let go challenge you. I'm so happy, my brother. Everybody made a lot put out between Edo matter, Edo and Rivers. No. I go up to Rivers. I go up to Rivers State. So many not put out like that. I'm the happiest man. Yes. If tomorrow we can do more flogging, I will still be happy. And Obaseki should know this. Nobody is coming out to fight for Obaseki.
Oh.
Okay.
Because he's one of the worst governors we have seen in Edo State. He is the worst governor that we have seen in Edo State. Nobody is coming to fight for you.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's look at it from this angle. Now, they don't turn this thing. They don't turn. Some people don't want to turn this thing to this. Not be state fight. So these fights wey dey also wey dey fight so PDP inside Edo State. Don't forget say na PDP wey dey fight down all the side they be Edo people.
Yes, sir.
Wey dey fight against this other side. So
Muslim.
what Wike is doing, I feel is just maybe he's going about it the wrong way. But
the man is not going anywhere wrong.
How?
I'm the anchor, yes, sir. Just listen.
Okay.
I am saying what I feel. I said maybe the man is going about it the wrong way, but let's not turn this thing into tribal stuff.
Explain when you mean the wrong way. Explain, break it down.
No, because
Wrong way,
even as you dey talk, say we can go commission something.
Yes.
You never even talk 2 minutes of wetin go commission.
Because they have an agenda.
You bring
Yes.
But who dem dey beat don say na you beat person you still tell am make e no cry. Oh, but before a governor come out like that for national TV, they talk like that. You know what that man can't do for Edo State? He stayed this 3 days. He said that like he don't they can't give him food. He said no, but like he they can't give him food. That's why he can't support even know whether they eat.
You know,
but then again,
You know how much he spent.
Then I asked one question. Nobody don't fit dissected the question now. Before now, Obaseki said he's not leaving PDP. That if anybody don't like the way they do
leadership,
may he come out.
They don't talk like that for APC.
Before listen. Before now, I will not use APC to return. Wait, let me finish. Now, Shaibu went to channels and said a contrary statement, saying that if they do not allow them, if they do not inculcate them into the party, they will come out with their followers. Say they don't tell the government. What I am asking is, when I'm not facing a conflict of interest, is it that Shaibu there's something Shaibu wants?
Yes,
in governance, in politics, it's always all about interest. What are you telling me?
It's not about interest now.
Okay, you want to go there now?
So,
be
how old is
Christ
Shaibu?
now.
Shaibu is a young
Jesus
man
Christ.
who has an ambition, and the ambition is very clear to the eyes of everybody that this man has an ambition that by 2024, if either he's going to contest as a governor or he reserved by end of this year to contest for Senate.
Just the way the outgoing governor in any state still gets interest, whether ambition to contest as Senate or as presidency or what have you, but he still get interest in the sense that he want put his own carcass.
Yes, now
He want get structure inside.
Since we can old PDP guy, you no get another way for take come into the matter to just
This matter, you remember in 2019, this kind of thing, I saw it start in 2019 for APC, between the governor and Oshomole. The governor were coming to the media every day to talk about Oshomole, how they are maltreating him. Sure. And you remember that Oshomole did not say anything. But the time Oshomole wanted to speak, they say he's oppressing the governor.
Oppression.
They say he's oppressing the governor.
People say no.
People say no.
Now you go bring that. Blah, blah, blah. When you say a mistake, do. So we get the same thing. After discussion and everything, you see the way the man take dilute everything. He say you call me bully. Last. Me way, my brother, whether you like him or not, if now you know this house pass, now your house be this. Last, new government come or what have you. You go see pay you for inside the let's say person come. That's where you build. You come one day say na so you go build. Na interest o.
My brother, I'm gratefulness.
Wetin dey talk? No be people dey the PDP since.
My brother, I'm gratefulness no good for them.
One thing
Some people dey the PDP since
you
now.
need to forget. Okay. Everybody in politics has got ambition. Even in life generally. So the question whether a governor has an ambition, I don't even want to talk about Shaibu here. I don't want to talk about that deputy guy. I mean, between governors, Wike and Obaseki, the fact that they have ambition will be news. The question should be, how much are you giving? Are you contributing to the group?
Bam.
To make you realize your ambition. Now, as far as Wike is concerned, let me even assume the man has got an ambition for presidency or whatever. But the man is not also, he's so much massive contribution in the PDP over time. He's still there for everybody to show. And he's still continuing, he's still doing more. When they say you have issues with your party men for your state, for your own state, we call it allow another stakeholder for another state now they talk. Wike is not just a party man. He's not just a governor of Rivers State as PDP member. He has been a stakeholder in PDP. You have evidence to that. Not be today start to talk about PDP with the other states, lending money and offering support to ensure PDP remains alive. So when PDP was also getting dead here and buried, and there was an angry governor and an ambitious governor who wants to complete his second term, come back here. We can also saw it as an opportunity to revive PDP here. So you can imagine the contribution, financial contribution and moral contribution that he has also given to Edo
Does Wike have the moral ground?
Yes.
To complain now
about
Obaseki?
It depends. That's why
no. It's a straight question. Going by what he did in 2020 election in Edo State, is there any moral justification to what he's doing?
Yes.
To complain,
Yes. Yes.
He's complaining.
Yes.
He's complaining within
Very
the
yes.
The only area that you might ask for morality from Wike is that statement he made that Governor Godwin Obaseki is a serial betrayer.
Okay, can you expatiate?
Very good. I don't think Wike has the moral justification to that statement.
Because he's a betrayer.
No.
Which has never been true.
I am saying
That's
no.
never been
Wike doesn't have that history of betrayal and evidence. If you say he's a moral, I mean, he's a serial betrayer, it simply means you knew before now that he said check Obaseki's DNA. You see serial betrayal. It simply means not just this last time, this one that he has just done that you are talking about. It simply means at the time you came to Edo to support him,
You know.
you knew that there was a drop
symptom,
of
yeah.
a DNA of at the come, but let me land on this. That there was a DNA of betrayal in him. You went ahead. Otherwise, if you tell me that Governor Godwin Obaseki has suddenly become a betrayer, I will take that from you. But if you say a serial betrayer, it's simply you are exposing yourself that you knew as at then.
No, maybe.
No.
No, wait. No, you will continue.
No, when you say
No, I
serial,
don't know. Maybe he
it's
was
not just yesterday.
No.
That's what
Maybe he was giving Obaseki a benefit of that. Not that he don't know that Obaseki maybe is a betrayer like he explained.
Yes.
But he was just
Yeah.
to give a benefit of
Yeah,
doubt.
because the man is a politician.
Right. The statement is right.
Because the man is a
Because-
politician,
yes,
he
a
wanted
politician.
to know.
No.
He didn't want to judge the book by the
You're
whole.
not a politician, man. So
Yeah,
that is some of their tricks.
Now, see,
Excuse me.
Obaseki were coming from
Excuse
APC.
me, I am the anchor here.
Yeah, sorry,
Let me
sir.
ask the question. You are too hyper. Now, I still go with what Mr. Precious is saying. If you are calling somebody a serial betrayer, that means the person has done a lot of stuff to
Yes.
betray other people,
Yes.
and you knew, but you still kept on because you just wanted APC out of the way. Because of your own selfish interest as a party man, you just wanted everything to go. You still went ahead. Now you are crying.
No, the man is not crying.
He's crying.
No, the man is
Say,
not
what are you
crying.
telling me?
This is
He's
what
not
happened.
crying.
This is what happened.
You are
This
trying
man,
to
even
correct
though the
his
man were
friend.
not sure.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. What's
Yes,
your
I want to contribute.
What's your name? What's your name and where are you calling from, sir?
I'm calling from California, United States.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Honorable Blessing Iyare in Asulele.
Okay.
Yeah.
Talk to us, sir.
Yes, I want to greet every one of you on that panel.
Okay.
Let me greet Chief Maliki.
I celebrate you. Thank you, sir.
I want to greet Precious.
I greet you.
Precious, this is your brother calling. BIE.
You now remember again. Make we continue.
Okay.
It's your brother. It's Precious. Precious is your brother calling BIE from California.
Wow, I think I remember the name, but the face. So
Find the number. You go call her later.
I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Head number.
All right. I want to talk about this issue of Governor Wike and Obaseki that's going on right now. First and foremost, I've been listening to you guys' contribution on this issue. I would say you guys are approaching this issue, from a very subjective point of view because
Iyare! Sorry!
Maliki is an APC man, and the other guy there is an APC man as well. So the point you people are attacking it from, you are not being objective. Let me start by saying Governor Wike, in his own right, was right to have, spoken out his mind. But if you look at it, if you wanted to display, sportsmanship to the party that he belongs, PDP, being that he's not the publicity secretary of that party, and knowing fully well that the national chairman, even the BOC chairman and members have come to Edo State, to assuage Edo PDP members and to look into the issues that are presented to him by the governor and the deputy governor. Wike should have prepared that. Or if he was so vexed, so angered by the statement of the deputy governor, he could have called the governor and tell him why is your deputy so pissed or so outspoken like that, about our party. Or he could have actually reached out to the national chairman or even the BOC chairman. That is the highest, officer of the party. But for him to have come out, he's claiming ownership of Edo PDP. That is what he has, come out to display. It's very obvious that when Edo PDP were in opposition for over 12 years, non-winning elections, they were not in government, Wike was the one controlling them. So Edo PDP as at then were tied to Wike's apron string. So they were his puppets. He was using the chairman and all the funding him, controlling the party. So now that Obaseki has come, he foresaw all these things from the beginning. Because you would expect that the governor of a state not to have a stake
Can you round up, sir?
in his party.
Just round up,
Okay.
sir.
Can I?
Okay, so, all right. My point here is that the outrage of Wike is unnecessary and is uncalled.
Okay.
Calling Governor Obaseki names actually it's not the right thing to do because they are both governors. They should have, have a common ground to have met and discuss this issue. So it is painful now that Governor Obaseki wants to assume his constitutional role as the leader of the party, which is not just peculiar to a big state. We all have instances of other states that this thing has happened before. So why is those states own different? You understand? Let's call a state a state.
Okay.
They should allow the party treat it the way it should be treated, rather than coming out to fight justice in public. Wike has overstepped his bounds, honestly.
All right. Thank you very much,
Yes,
sir.
that is it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I greet you all. What you doing?
I heard you, my brother. I heard you.
Yare, we will talk now. I greet you.
Oh, let me know, brother.
You had them now. You had them.
This boy, don't they talk like that. Send am as test. Write am for comment. You go say, now the whole world will come. They call you now. Get ready.
Thank you very much.
No, send her. No, send her to message. To message. Okay, fine.
Bro, send her as a personal message to this group. We'll give
I
her
beg,
number.
make I help you contribute small thing during that guy talk. You see what he talk just now. He writes as a leader of a party, automatically yes, is the leader as far as PDP is concerned in Edo State. But at the same time, there is a structure where you run go meet existing structure. Whether you came with finance or based on your personality or your present position, that made the thing ginger. And sorry, mine don't forget day before. Edo people don't forget pity. I would not call it pity vote. They don't get that pity first. On to say, you just bring normally now waiting politicians they do they bring or they want this one to be subject to them, so they say no. So they don't see that format like, okay, now you take I will join you. This man Oshomole is not doing it right. Then you run to a party. We get their own structure, they struggle. Whether they lose, they don't lose, they've been there. You get some people who did PDP since 1999. Even before then, they joined some party where they break up and known as a put up. But they have been there, still in this Edo State. So you just imagine, say, they just give you leadership, then you come. You just begin. Not to say you just scatter them. If you position them once, I don't talk to some PDP people. And I heard from them. Some way sit down for power now. As of Rep, Senate, I've spoken with some. And they make me understand some certain things. Why some disagree. Now you just came in. Is it not, let me put the question to you, Seth. Is it not right for you to work with that structure instead of you imposing your fresh breed from the former party you decamp for?
But he's asking for the structure and they are not giving him.
How would they just
Is
give
he
you
even
work
supposed to
with
ask for
them?
structure?
You work.
He's not even supposed to ask for structure now.
Sit down.
Sit down,
There
they'll
are
come
some
meet you for where
things
you
you
dey.
do.
They'll come meet you, come lawyer, you say,
You
Baba,
get the way you say
Baba.
touch man life. You get the way you say position things.
Oh, but I'm not talking about what they do when that boy is a lawyer for.
I need what? I'm not be a trader. Don't you think that because we heard a lot of news from Boost Radio, how he paid this billion, how he paid that billion,
But maybe they share these brokers.
how
Watinya Yari.
Obaseki paid for.
chairman were saying, local government chairman were saying, bring this amount of money, bring that amount of money.
So to him, he has paid. He has
Don't
settled
you
them.
think that Obaseki is still angry because of that amount of money that was spent?
He has a right to be angry, but he doesn't have a right to impose that. To
Impose the anger on them.
Yes, to extend that anger to anybody. He does not have that right.
Angry.
Paying those money was his choice.
They did not beg him to
Yeah.
come.
It was his choice now. If he did so well, if he had these good human relations, if he did all of that in the APC, he would have remained a second-term governor.
Brother, let me tell you, PDP is not the only party in this country.
Why
PDP
did
and
he not
APC.
go to someone
Why
that
did he not go
can-
to other party? Why did he not go to a party that has a platform, a bigger
Because
platform?
he claimed that he has registered over 500,000 members.
That he didn't show in the
And he registered for over 500 members.
Can I finish, sir? He claimed that he has registered over 500,000 members. What is raising eyebrow in the states right now from people that follow politics actively? He said he has registered over 500,000 members. And the last election that was held in Edo State, the number of votes from both parties was not up to 500,000.
I think there's a misconception with that family.
I been made here for brag. Mona go on generator, never don't see lights.
No, plants.
Now they call generator plants. They say no plant. Like this thing, we get used to generate.
Now the generator
Now
now be
generate
our.
was slogan. Now plants go na generate.
No, better
So,
not say
as I was saying, the man did- there was a
700 naira per liter.
800.
There was a misconception.
Continue, my brother.
There was a misconception. The 500,000 he's talking about is what he has achieved in PDP. So people are probably asking him, what has been your contribution? There has been a party registration going on in the PDP where he engaged every member of their party. Because then the party members were expectant of appointment and all what have you. So everybody went back to the field to get people registered in the party. Some were using their phones. I had friends in the PDP that were using their phones and all, going far and wide to ensure they have a database of PDP membership. So that 500,000 is what he is saying that he has done in the PDP, not the ones that followed him from APC into PDP.
No, we are saying the same thing.
You listen to the comments,
if you said
Or
you
a
have
statement.
registered over 500,000 persons, it means there are fresh 500,000 persons in
In the
in
PDP.
the PDP.
Yes.
Now, each election in Edo has not exceeded 500,000. Why are you looking for another structure to add to the 500,000?
The 500,000 that you have. The structure now, there are, when you say structures now,
Because if you have 500,000 persons, it means you have created your own structure.
each of 500,000 persons it does not amount to one delegate. They will have to queue behind. What they are not fighting, what they are not mentioning in their fight here is the scrambling for delegates.
Okay. Yes.
So long before Obaseki came to the PDP, that's what Iyare was trying to explain, the guy that called from the US, that Nyesom Wike has been extending his hands down to Edo State to sustain the structure here, talking about delegates and all and their leadership here. Now, those same people are the ones Governor Obaseki came to. If you call somebody a trader, it is because you traded with him that you cannot authoritatively say he's a trader.
Yes.
So these guys came into the PDP to trade with these same people to have a space for ticket, and they got it, not for structure yet.
Even now they go market,
So
they
they are
say, I'm
saying
going to call this place for me.
the traders quote and unquote are saying, if you want the transaction we did before was for ticket. If you want structure now, there is let's have another transaction. Okay. Perhaps the transaction will now go and end at the Rivers State Port Harcourt, where the person that has been surviving the structure here and the delegates here live, and you have to also lobby them to at least have ownership. Otherwise, one would ordinarily ask you, your governor, why don't you just go ahead with your administration and forget the structure? Because any person that is interested in structure and by extension delegates, it simply means you have an ambition. And Nyesom Wike is not hiding his own, even if he has not openly pronounced, he has a right to have an ambition. He has been watering the grounds in the PDP. He's not asking for ambition, to gain grounds in the APC.
Okay, sir,
Yes.
Gentlemen, do you think that, let's not overflow this issue, do you think that this extension is having
my brother? I do like
house a toll in what is happening in Edo State. Because now
Facebook.
I heard over, as of today, over 10 or 15 persons has died in the community in Edo, Obayato community. And now we are fighting politics, we are fighting for structures.
Instead of paying
We are
attention.
fighting for structures. Now this is how he claimed he was distracted by the APC during his first tenure where things was going left. Now people are dying in Obayato and we are fighting for structure. How do we salvage this situation?
It's unfortunate. About three things involved in the Obayato saga. We hear that one of the community members shot a soldier man. Now the question is, we must get some things right. If there must have been a land tussle or issue in the community that will make some persons take along a soldier man, to the point where the argument is. Our Nigerian military must learn something. I know you have a right to react. You have your word as we speak, not just 20, sir. Way more than 30. The videos we've seen before now, which has gone viral, those same video, some of the soldier men recorded, they are, as we speak, they have taken over that community. They took all the children into one particular building where they themselves are giving them food and water. Every other person that is above 10 is at risk, and they are shooting sporadically. Before it got to that point, soldiers or the military must ensure that their personnel don't go for issues that are not ordinarily their business. That's the one part, because I cannot tell them how to react over somebody they killed. I mean over one of them that was killed by people. But at the same time, we must also remember that we are all Nigerians. We ordinarily know where to vent our anger. It is at the defense of our country, not within us. The killing within us is just too much. But at the same time, community rascals must understand that uniform people are human beings. Uniform men are human beings who also have their feelings. And that's exactly what happened. How can you, in your right senses, even in your foolish senses, kill a soldier man? That's where we are. It's unfortunate. Oga, people who don't die for them don't pass 30. And
So
the worst part is
who as people don't die now.
Yeah.
Who is to call these soldiers to order?
government.
The killing. Government, is it the governor, the president?
The
governor
governor
here,
here,
he's
the chief security.
See officer here.
This tug of war between himself and Nyesom Wike, would that afford him the chance to call this community? Because
And
I learned that he's not in the
and you hear Nyesom Wike talk say anything wey no concern the governor, dey think am. Dey even participate. He go say except the one wey concern himself.
Oga na excuse.
So
Oga na excuse. Whatever that's happening
because
within
not
the
forget
political
say
circle.
now like this small minority start to kidnap for
Auchi. Na excuse.
Till
Wetin
nobody
be the
talk
big
about
deal about a war of words between him and his a colleague in another state wey go take leave him duty here?
Thank you. That's where I was coming from.
Wetin na so they tell you that way you dey talk. You remember for this town when before they come PDP so when they dey APC, there was an arrest that happened. Why he get deputy? So they cannot approach the military and all the commands and the brigade commands here to look into that matter before. It is just their normal negligence. Because the man has a way of neglecting real issues in the state where they affect citizens, because especially when political issues just come up like this.
But I was in a gathering yesterday or on Monday evening where a lot of the youth in this part of the state thinks that Obaseki has done a lot for the state, and they think that he's the best governor so far to have ruled the state. They were citing instances like what he did with the School of Health. He talked about the different roads he had built so far, the drainages he's building inside GRA, and that was because Governor Wike faulted his style of governance, saying that he has done nothing in the state. So, what is your opinion? Let's leave this saga between him and Wike now. Do you think he has done enough as governor for the state?
No, what he's doing is just crop of amendments here and there. which my fear, I was telling somebody that with these pockets of works he's doing that looks like what ordinarily a local government chairman ought to be doing, he's going to put them together very soon with time and then hit the media, just like some of us started shouting Edohi Dubai with just the secretariat building
Wey dey
in
paint.
Asakale
How much for gallon
wey
of
dey
paint?
renovate because our people can
No,
be
they
so
say they want
myopic.
to build it.
Those people around that you said were saying the guy is doing massively well. I don't blame them. It is because their minds have been so reduced that they don't know what a governor is actually capable of doing or what he ought to be doing. It is because our governors have finally destabilized and removed the pegs of local government chairmen. That's why they don't even know that's why when a governor decides to patch a road here, they will count it as part of his achievement. They don't know the energy and the resources at the disposal of a governor, what a governor ought to be doing. That's why they are talking the way they are talking. And it's unfortunate.
Let's take some comments from Facebook.
It's unfortunate.
Apostle Prince Mark said, "You are right. Wike is going about it the wrong way. I believe the other guys are campaigning for APC. They should be neutral. Mark thinks you guys are APC and you should be neutral." B.I. Enam said that members need to be represented. Those 500,000 members are from various wards. Each ward has to own its own expos and delegates in the event of the party's congress. You cannot leave these 500,000 people without representation. It is even an insult for a governor not to have a say in his own government. Should be said. Now, another person said Maleke don't come back. Yes, he don't come back. Aigbedo Francis is saying where is the Bobon? The Bobon is fine. Make it with us.
You know, say sorry as you read comment. So you know, say if I talk like that, my brother is saying now that okay, because you know that okay, Maleke na APC. I'm not a politician. I'm just privileged in terms of I'm an associate to politicians. Make I put that English like that. But that aside, truth be told, in terms of when you talk, say number one man, where they guide a particular area, at least everybody where you put for different joints need to get a feel, a flow with you one on one. Say how far, say I dey go here, say I dey go here. Now, I don't want the true man say wicked. No, we could live wicked now. We could look into our home. He said something. Bring the people, publish them out. Where they do the contract for those states. That school where the talk say just talk small command. Now indigene, now they did the contract.
Wey dey empower.
Who dare you empower?
Indigene.
To my little knowledge, as far you are in Edo State, you not really dey educated, rich, or you deserve that thing.
Yes.
Where this man, this our governor,
yes, you are a
go take give you
bushman.
that job.
You are a bushman.
He believe you get come from somewhere. Sorry to say, or maybe na lie they lie. I believe say na Yoruba language they speak pass for government as well.
Yes, na.
Just the way Oshomole was in power, now she dey speak pass.
Yes.
Even Mopo dey now they are my leader. Let's assume na still Edo State. And meanwhile, he affected. You know how many chiefs, you know how many indigene, young and old, whether they do that. Not be saying na thief. You see this contract where you give person where you read that same architect wey dem dey say na dey design whatever. If you give a job based on the area wey take go, you go still see one person for the area. You no go Lagos go bring weather. Just the way we heard at Ogbe Stadium, weather came from Lagos. Weather. Okay, let's assume say na rumor. But now, if food not dey, these same people wey you dey say you wan get leadership over, not dey their mouth. You never hear, you know say the average Nigeria, our mind dey corrupt. Make I not say corrupt. We need it now. Forget all those your story. Okay, fine. If to say small thing, they touch these people mouth. Whether you like them or not, only the governor, you must touch them. You must affect them. You must give them that thing. That thing to soften their heart. Say, can I say a bit? Don't say, hey, no, government is supposed to be like this. No, now it can work. So if the security angle one at the front come just now, I've been privileged to get in touch with one of the commander in Edo State, number one soldier for Edo State, when he complained that the security vote where they bring come this state He was using his own money to fuel government vehicle. Okay, na him be head, abi? Na him be head. But he send soldier, no food, nothing. Money no dey. There are secrets wey he expose. Make I no go dey talk am for here like what? The same thing with 2 times before now, 3 times before now, commissioner of police. Like, I don't understand. Is that how it is here? See, these people are not. That make you dey see police go rent motor, carry motor. Now, money with the road jam, now they'll take them. That make I say sorry for them. Now, look at this. They need not come. That's why I say this land matter. Now they come out now. It come. This our vigilante them. They call them. They try. But look at it from another angle. These people were not still being paid.
Till tomorrow.
They not pay you. Gone where we don't live for bad guys before. Men go right there. Will not be government give everybody come. They give them permission to say, oh yeah, make it. Now make you go see somebody with ton passion. Say it be vigilante. Yes, if they try, you know the bad guys say stop, not try this thing, not that government. Now power of government. But how they take the buy bullet? Government has their way. You never there are some questions you ask. Let me the talk say when election they come at times, una power gun give boys, make them work. After this thing, una not give them this thing. The whole God of Caesar. Probably just start. So all these things happen for our eye here. And just that these boys they succeeded in calming the state down.
Come on.
But have they been paid? Even if that's the agreement. But then don't they withdraw by that? I just say they say whether I don't dissolve them again. What do you think? All those guns where they take the road for road, where they'll come out and be like whether Isakaba. They go resume work very soon.
Boss, you
So
know what?
at the come, my own problem is understanding. As far you are the leader, you don't need force, not be a marathon, not be chess, not be this, not be some street. Yeah, na very cool. You don't need to see me, no need, you don't dey flow enter your side. Everywhere go, hello, fine. What make you my oga? Not be make my feel reach you. How many people dey reach am?
You know, the one where they pay me for inside, just like that man talk your side.
If I talk una say na because I dey APC, na very small.
We are using our energy and our
Correct,
time and
abeg.
our passion and our patriotic spirit. Now we take the do wetin we dey do so. Otherwise, na person wey decide to get where any person anything wey dey happen, that person wey dey in between na him be the most dangerous person. Take a side. Ensure you have I mean what you are talking for. Take a side. No come just dey feel say na so this one no be okay. Those people wey dey there, those ones dey be APC. That's why we dey talk. But the question is what we are saying. Does it make sense to your ears at all? That's what we are saying. Yes, as an individual or as a member of the APC, as you call me. Yes, I am a member of the APC. But this platform, I know say na platform where we dey wan look at issues fairly the way as possible, to the way we can. That's why we dey come here. Otherwise, we come here, we go talk issues the way they are. Wetin no be this same lifetime na we see Wike dey survive Edo PDP with im resources. So if today now the same man he see say person wey dey allow to come complete the second term, he don dey give the party. Don't you know that what is happening in the PDP now? If things don go well, as we speak, some members of the PDP are already having negotiations with the APC. It is capable of destroying the party. So we are even talking for this. Not the party matter we dey talk here. We are talking as Nigerians.
You see,
as
If you see for this way, say, wetin una think? Una not see for this way, say, because Wike wants to contest president, as a president, he still need, let these guys scatter the party for this side.
It is all in the interest of the PDP before the Wike interest.
What is that?
It is all in the interest of the. Yes, now you go save am. Save am for the party first. What this man is doing, he doesn't care. Just like what he was doing in the APC, everything. He no care whether the party scatter.
How many people dey rule House of Assembly now?
I think
They must have done, So the man is not. He's not just a man that has been in a political party since 1999.
we never really know. We never really find out because the number of House of Assembly members they fluctuate over 26, 7, 9. But we know say 14 dey extinct, 49 dey cut out of the 24. But inside the 10 wey remain, so sometimes we hear say na 9 do this one, later they say 6, and they are still passing budget. with that number of
And it's being accepted.
and what's his name? What she received was on channels about a month ago, where he complained that up till now, since they laid their complaint to the court, their case are still not is still not being heard from any court. They never do first hearing. They only postpone.
You see, sorry, the youth or whatever, now not call youth, the constituency where different House of Assembly members will come out. I'm not sure they believe on their candidate when they bring come out. If not, everybody for don't march. Most say Ikpobaoha, the House of Assembly member where they there, all Ikpobaoha people come out. Hold that government and stand still. They not believe on person when they bring come out. Everybody just collect money, say, I did there. If not, this kind of thing will happen. So say, our representative not did there. Why don't they pass bill? You know, they reach us.
Well,
Blah, blah, blah. What to be caught? Judiciary system for this country, we believe in Shao, but hey, now first see judiciary system. Listen, if you want to correct this country, more like Nigeria, believe judiciary system first.
Now we even need to start with.
First, leave police.
Before National Assembly.
I'm rubber leave.
Judgment when they come from judiciary
When they come out.
is they cause big nonsense for this town.
Okay, because Seth just
Again,
I'm not going to say we get another call.
they put this in for speaker, make they make so that we go there. Yeah,
Good
we'll
evening.
use this one to round up.
Good evening.
Good evening, can you hear me?
Yes, what's your name and where are you calling from?
Take it away from speaker. Give it to Maliki or any speaker.
We are here, sir. I'm hearing you, sir.
No, take it away from speaker.
No, this is street parliament. Everybody must listen to what you are saying, sir.
Everybody must listen. Okay, where's the other Woko?
He is not around, sir.
No, okay, how can I contribute to support the any people use that task? I'm not going to know that to do that for.
Wow.
Wow.
Una go clap for her. I want to clap for her. Una clap for her. So, speech go just dey roll every day. They know nobody dey talk.
Okay.
Don't worry. Call me number. You send her a zap. Oh. You send her a zap. Make it put something.
Malik,
Sir?
Maliki, okay. Please, okay, my name. If I call my name, now, people will be sending me friend requests on Facebook. That's why I just.
Baba, may no come be like say we don't understand. We will collect your number. Thank you. We will call you. VIP. Where you dey from call, sir? Be like Jan though.
You say my number now.
I dey say na from Jan you dey call o.
Very good.
Baga, save the number. Call it. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
It's good to be good. Yeah. Yeah, you see, supporting the body is another thing for the ministry. Advert, in case you want to sponsor them, we'll use this opportunity to tell you as the street parliament they go. At least you can sponsor, we will put you on notice so that people will see talk about your matter there. You know what it takes to sponsor. Then apart from that, in case some of you know they concur, when they look and say this one and because this one, we they talk different matter. Go reach marriage matter. Go reach child abuse, go reach, in short, generally, that's why it's called street parliament. In case you want participate for this gathering, una go see call the number. The number is there. Say you want to be a guest on the street parliament. Maybe get with you want talk. Make we talk them together. Because here we dey talk am as e be. So some of una wey dey look and say, now because this one a party. No now. Okay, come. We'll invite you, write us, then you come to the panel, then we'll discuss this together. Have you not been so? It's a 1 hour program every Wednesday and Friday.
Mama, we hello.
Who be there?
Mama,
Golden Garden. We'll talk about that now. From next week, I will tell you more details about the Golden Garden Hotel. Then they come in as one of our sponsors. And, elaborate on some certain things where they do. So from here, all over the world, they go no say how they be. So for sponsorship, we're calling on you. You can write us. That our brother will say, "God bless this gathering." Thank you. well, how they talk who they work. How they talk
Must chop.
where they for work.
Maybe workshop.
Abi?
Now we're there for the work.
Na dey for the
Na dey for
Make
chop.
I dey call am
Workshop. So thank you for make I leave am to the moderator. Make it not be like this. Sorry, I don't.
You say this slide, you leave me, don't collect my work.
Yeah, maybe you tell us so that we go round up the last our time done.
Okay, before we
Last.
just round this matter up, because we don't want to stress on the second topic.
Yeah.
One last word, it's just 30 seconds, Mr. Precious.
We must understand, say, whichever side where you dey, whether you be Christian, Muslim, APC, PDP, AA, ABGA, whatever, we still remain the same countrymen. So our priority now, wetin concern our country and our citizens. Now will dey make us dey. So on your own part, now make you try. They help us dey share this video so that everybody, the thing go dey go wider and wider. We will continue to be loyal and patriotic citizens of Nigeria. God bless Edo State and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you. Mr. Collins, one last word.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thanks to all the viewers. I'm on to they share this work for all of us. And make we know they do ungrateful. Anybody will help us. Make we dey keep to waiting. We agree with the person. Because some years back, the same thing wey Oshomole cry of, na Danobi and Wike dey cry of. So that means there's element of truth. So abeg, make we dey appreciate who do good for us. Thank you. Uber.
Yeah, for me, I go round up with make this our street parliament dey affect the younger generation in terms of the way we dey go now. If they continue like that and everybody dey look them to wait face, wahala go dey. Last they fit use us stay halo, extend goods or extend house or extend motor. Just the way they use land till they extend motor, they go use parents very soon. So me, I want through my own area to parents and talk to your children. Now make street parliament still come out, make una dey hear wetin dey go. The way trend dey go now for the internet, wahala dey. So you una fit divert their attention to this area of the street parliament. Now make my brother Precious say, make we dey try share the video. It will go far and it will help us. And you not go know, you go pick one or two things. It's full with humor, argument, facts, or what you not like, lies. Now make we call am street parliament. So for me, I go say thank you now for contributing in terms of your time for the street parliament. But keep sharing and God bless you.
Hello. Thank you very much. We'll see you again on Friday. God bless you. 5 o'clock Friday.
I need the Iyare to if you are still
Tell
following.
me.
Thank
Don't
God.
tell me you
Iyare,
say because
Iyare,
it's
Before
illegal.
the governor come the PDP no just be ordinary candidate. They get two senators. They have two senators. They get 4 House of Rep members.
Listen, now take it easy. You wanted to say something, bro?
Yes, that Iyare guy, he was a politician here before he relocated to the
No matter, he don't spend money now, so he has to spend. They make a rake money, so now he go
here
back.
twice. So
Councillor, yeah.
yes, twice in Orion.
Wow.
He was my friend. We both worked with Moses Uyos, I think, at some point.
But that guy will say I stay contest where money finish with this.
So he said he has to travel out.
Okay. No, it's not very.
You see, here there's something you must not forget. This thing no be by force. If you want to talk about yes or we cannot calling Obaseki and all of that, you can imagine that there must have been some of this conversation reaching each other before the conference
is not
called
right.
media. You also agree with me that Governor Obaseki is a very stubborn man.
We can accuse him or something. I don't know. I'm just trying to bring this so that you can talk about this.
Yeah.
He said that each time they are trying to put out funds for the party, Obaseki normally draws back, claiming that he doesn't know that there is a contribution towards this or that after the event. Is that why Wike is angry?
If Governor Obaseki was, had been living up to his expectation, talking about surviving party members, being fair with appointments, all of these issues won't have been coming up. So you be leader of the party, don't be by mouth now.
Okay, what is appointment in politics? compensation.
Not be by mouth.
What is
You
appointment?
came in.
Yeah.
They saw you that you needed the umbrella by all means. You needed the second term. They gave you that welcoming, arms. They gave you all the attention. They gave you even your deputy. That's very rare. The PDP,
Everything.
have been
now.
fair.
Would they accept what they come? Sorry. Would they accept you?
You know what I mean?
And they come, would they accept you? There must be a discussion before that acceptance. Say, come to PDP, we'll give you the umbrella. In terms of the 4 major positions, we are still lieutenant, still dating now. Speaker, join say, what do you call it?
Governor,
SSG,
deputy governor, SSG,
chief of staff,
you take from your
still on job.
still on
Deputy
your
chief of
job.
staff.
You say make this people do.
There's what we call, is it tete? You watch this and you watch this and
Yes.
then therefore
That is the real harmonization. Not be the talk. Not be sitting and
talk.
the sitting and talking is a blackmail. Yeah, don't forget when the
Was that the
governor
arrangement?
was in APC, the same thing was playing out. Party members were complaining.
And that was the issue.
But he was not coming out from just like Fishabu came out and said that they are not being accepted. The governor and his deputy
Yes,
they
he
came
came out.
out to say
wanted-
Osomole must leave them alone.
Say they wanted to bring a double
Yes.
for you to come and share.
So why they-
That Osomole is just disturbing
Ask him
them.
now, why they- you don't come and talk?
You don't want them to work.
They also came
You are
out.
not doing anything.
Party members
You don't allow them to concentrate.
that Oga,
Good governance.
let this thing spread.
Ah.
We are also human beings. We are citizens of this state. He said he
What is democracy?
so I still that
Military
part he kept blackmailing the Edo people that Osomole that has left his power. He still wanted to come and dictate to them. He was coming up with all the same thing. That's the same thing we have now.
That's playing now.
Ordinarily, Danobi would have loved to travel from Auchi to Benin rather than traveling from Auchi to Rivers.
To Rivers. You
If
understand?
things were just going on normally,
Normal.
But there was one inscription before that was put out during that rally. I talked about it last week. They called